Hey friend, you look shocked like that. I cost $3, but I got you through university. Appreciate your roots, my friend. Hey, hello! You know who I am or not? I am the ultimate, legendary curry puff. Careful when you bite. I'm buttery, flaky, and hiding a fiery potato core inside.
Hello there!
Can you stir us gently? And please,
Don't skimp on the dark soy sauce and white pepper. We like it dark.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Recently I chanced upon this app called YouTube Create, and honestly, I immediately fell in love with it. If you haven't heard of it yet, it's YouTube's mobile editing app that makes creating short-form content super easy. It strips away all the complicated time-lapse style and lets you generate, edit, and polish videos in literally seconds. With National Day just around the corner, I thought, why not do something fun celebrating some of our daily Singaporean food? So, I made a whole series of Singapore food stalking, and as best as possible, complete with full-on local accents and maximum good vibes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my exact 4-step workflow, show you how I made over 50 of these mini videos, and share a cool trick on how you can use them to level up your Google Maps food reviews. Let's dive into step 1, getting the script and ideas with Gemini. The first thing to do is to get the plan started. I opened up Gemini and typed in a prompt asking for 50 to 100 iconic Singapore dishes like nasi lemak, laksa, chicken rice, roti prata, etc. and ask it to write short, punchy one-liners in a local Singaporean accent. Look at these results. Having AI write these microscripts takes less than 30 seconds and gives you all the creative inspiration you need before you even start filming or editing. Even the script of this very video is written by Gemini, after I wrote down some main points myself, of course. Step 2. Capturing original photos. Now, here's a super important rule I follow. I do not just grab random pictures off the internet. Everything you see in my videos is 100% original photos that I snapped myself with my camera or phone. Whenever I head out for breakfast, lunch, tea break, dinner, or even late night supper, I take 2 or 3 quick photos of the dish. Quick photo tips for this workflow. Number 1. Get good lighting. Natural light works best. Number 2. Frame the food clearly in the center so the app has a focus subject to work with. Number 3. Keep it real. Authenticity is what makes this food video stand out. That means you do not need to add additional garnishes and such. Now for the fun part, bringing it to life in YouTube Create. Let's open the YouTube Create app and import one of our food photos. Important note on app limits. Right now, the quick video animation generation feature limits videos to 10 seconds. But trust me, 10 seconds is actually the sweet spot for short form content like shorts or reels. It keeps the pacing snappy and viewer attention. And here's the process. It literally takes just minutes to learn. The UI is super clean with no clutter. So far, I've created more than 50 of these 10-second mini videos. And honestly, it's been a great fun. But here is an extra tip on what you can do with all these clips. Upload them to Google Maps. Instead of just leaving a boring static photo or a plain text review for your local food hunts, you can attach this fun 10-second animated clips to your Google Maps local
Hello
guide
there.
reviews.
You ordered me
It gives
today.
your reviews so
Where's my
much
partner
more
sugar?
personality,
Hurry, don't make
helps
me
local
lonely lah.
stores stand out, and makes food reviewing way more entertaining for anyone looking for recommendations. And that's it. A simple 4-step workflow using Gemini, your own photos, and YouTube Create to make fun, localized content in minutes.
Happy National Day to all Singaporeans watching. Go try this with chicken rice or sambal stingray. Smash that like button, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!